What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and as y'all can see, guys, we're on the road already. It's 5:30. We've been at it all day. It's fucking hot. Trying to get this out the way. And right now, guys, we're heading to sell the bed on the extended cab. As y'all seen in my previous videos, that we were at Trust Autos. We bought a bed there. If y'all follow Trust Autos, they have a lot of shit out there. But right now, guys, we're gonna go sell this bed, and y'all gonna find out what I bought at Trust Autos later on this video, so y'all stay tuned. Don't forget, guys, there's a lot coming. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy the new look, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Go ahead and scroll down and hit that subscribe button. There's a lot coming, guys. There's a lot coming. But let's get going, guys. We're about to get there. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Hopefully we don't run into no problems and the bed comes out easy. Alright, guys, the next day, and we're about to pull up to Trust Autos. Y'all can tell right there in the back there's no bed. I know I haven't give y'all a walk around the truck, so I'm gonna do that right now when we pull up to Trust Autos. Hopefully this bed goes on as good as that one came off. We're about to pull up. Alright, guys, so we're just getting another short bed for the truck, and pretty good conditions. It's dirty. The forklift's about to pull it out. Moving all the trucks.
Dale, un poquito más para que los picos no van a pegar en él. Ahí está, ahora cheque la guía ahí y el ganante del lado. Cheque ahí la guía. Un poquito más. Dale, como aquí.
Estamos. Appreciate it. That thing came out.
So, guys, next day, as you can see, I'm all dirty. I was polishing some wheels at the house, but that's for a later video. As you can see, again guys, we're at the car wash because again guys, can't do shit at the house. Fucked up again. There's always something going on, but my front neighbors always in the way and doing some. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the truck. I know y'all haven't showed it that much. There she is, guys. I'm gonna put some 2-inch spacers so the tire can come out some, be flush or a little bit close to the fender well. And I'm gonna be adding the corners as well. The little corners right here, I got them in the truck. I got the SS bumper. That lip fell off finally. RIP to the lip, ballast, whatever you want to call it. But she looks good. The truck looks good. The bed still needs to be aligned, but it's good right now for how it sits. I'm not messing with it right now. What do y'all think so far? I'm actually out here, guys, at the car wash because I want to fit this bumper, see if it looks good or not. So let's go ahead and do that. So the bumper is sagging on this side. It's always been sagging. I never really messed with it, but we can fix that with a little TLC, little jack. Nothing major. What do y'all think? Kind of looks weird. Kind of like it. I'm gonna leave it on. Probably mess with this bracket a little bit later on tonight or maybe tomorrow. But it's getting there. It's getting there. Kind of like it, guys. I kind of like it. I think she needs to be aligned real good. She needs to be aligned. What do y'all think? Drop y'all's comments. Don't forget. Drop y'all's comments. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see on this truck, on the Trailblazer. A lot of people have been asking about the Tahoe too. Let me know what y'all want to see on the Tahoe. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hopefully I enjoyed this little transformation that we're trying to pull off from the extended cab. Let me know what y'all think about that front bumper. It's like 50-50. Kind of like it, kind of don't. I know I need the spacers for the back, for sure. If I want to keep on rocking these rims for a little bit. The next thing on the truck, guys, is probably gonna be the wheels, and we're gonna get all. I think I'm gonna primer the bed and primer the front bumper if anything. But y'all drop y'all's comments and let me know what y'all think. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget, guys, God is good, and keep pushing.